We are offering management program called MBA, MPhil and PhD, both part-time and full-time. We have started this campus in the year 2009. Since then, we are offering full-time MBA, and the criteria for admission into MBA program is the students should write either CAT or MAT or GMAT, whatever is the national level or international level exam, as well as they have to appear for group discussion, personal interview. The students who do not have the scores of CAT, MAT or GMAT, whatever it is, we will conduct a HBSAT, Hyderabad Business School Admission Test. After the scores obtained in the test, we conduct a group discussion and personal interview at our campus, as well as the various designated locations that are mentioned in our website, ghbs.in. The USP of our Hyderabad Business School is we believe that the students should do MBA rather than studying MBA. That's why we invite faculty and experts from the industry to teach and to bring the practical inputs and practical live situations and problems to the classroom, so that that can be discussed at length. They normally come with the various case studies that are brought to the classroom, and the students are given opportunity to go through the cases as well as the reading material related to that particular topic. We also believe that minimum 25% of the course curriculum should be dealt in by the people from particularly all types of industries, be it manufacturing, services, IT, software, whatever it is, but we bring people from across the country. Sometimes foreign MNC companies also come here and deliver their sessions here. We give a lot of opportunities to our students to get wonderful exposure to the industry, and ultimately we make them industry ready, because the management program is not a traditional program. It needs a lot of practical inputs. That is possible when the students are given opportunity to interact with many people. Moreover, the students also should understand the problems or challenges being faced by the industry from time to time. That is possible while going through the regular newspapers, current journals, magazines, most of research journals, and also the publications made by our own faculty are circulated to the students. We keep sending and posting the latest updates about the industry, even including the academic areas also. We make the students into teams and make them understand the particular topic in a more practical way. We also have mentor-mentee system. Every faculty will be assigned 8 to 10 students to monitor their performance on regular basis, along with the people from the industry. They also act as mentors to the students and guide them continuously and make them understand what is required in the industry, so that there is no gap between what the industry is expecting and how the students are being trained. Also, we bring people not only for taking sessions, but also for conducting mock interviews and viva exam like that. We make them part of the program. Another important thing is the curriculum provides a lot of scope for understanding the industry while working with the industry, as summer internship and project works. Immediately after first year, 2 months they go to industry and work for there in the industry, and in the second year, 1 trimester full they will work with the industry. So 2 times they are given opportunity, because nowadays most of the students are not having work experience, prior experience. That's why we provide them opportunity to do their summer projects or internship with the industry on a regular basis.